Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Eastern Idaho planning briefing for Monday, November 9th. First, we'll look at the weather impact summary. It's going to continue to be cold, mainly dry today. High temperatures generally in the 20s and 30s. We will have snow returning very late tonight and continuing off and on through Wednesday. Most accumulations are expected to be in the eastern highlands. Could see some two-day amounts of 3 to 6 inches. Generally Island Park area south into the Driggs, Victor area. Lighter amounts to the west, pretty much anywhere from less to an inch to maybe some areas of the central mountains up to 4 or 5 inches. So again, just generally 2 days of light snow. And then later in the week, looks like we could be getting a possible heavy mountain snow event maybe next Saturday. So again, still a long way out, but there is the potential for some heavy mountain snow again next weekend. Looking at the satellite imagery, again, the system that provided most of the snow yesterday is moving east. Again, cloud cover generally dissipating, but again, we will have some lingering low clouds across much of the area for much of the day, but again, not expecting anything other than very light snow showers, again, mainly in mountain areas. Here's the weather impact overview. Again, some very light snow possibly in the east southeast highlands today. And then as we get into Tuesday, some minimal snow impacts, again, mainly in the eastern highlands, where we expect the heaviest amounts, generally just low to minimal impact snow elsewhere, both Tuesday and Wednesday. And then as we get into very late Friday, again, I put some moderate impacts over the Sawtooth, Wood River area. And again, this will be mainly very late night on Friday. But again, we are expecting snow to move back into the region, especially over the weekend, mainly mountain impacts. High temperatures today, very cold, generally 20s and 30s. Again, this is well below seasonal normals for this time of year. And Tuesday, again, not much change, maybe a bit of a slight warm up, but again, very cold. And we're going to have some snow moving in. And I mentioned snow amounts. This is for Tuesday. Again, very light, generally 1 to 2 inches, central mountains and Stanley area, generally less than an inch in the lower Snake River Plain, getting into some 1 to 2 inch amounts on Tuesday, Idaho, Falls to Rexburg. And again, most of the accumulation along the Wyoming border, 4 to 6 inches Island Park, 2 to 4 inches Swan Valley, Driggs area. And Wednesday, high temperature forecast. Again, very cold, not much change from Monday and Tuesday. Generally upper 20s mountains to low to mid 30s in the valleys. And snow forecast for Wednesday, again, not much different than Tuesday. Maybe not quite as heavy in the eastern highlands, but again, 2 to 4 inches are possible. Again, Island Park south into the Driggs Swan Valley towards Soda Springs. So again, that's going to be where most of the snow will be on Tuesday and Wednesday. So again, summing up the weather impact summary, it's going to be cold and dry for the most part today. Again, the snow returning very late tonight through Wednesday with most of our accumulations. Again, eastern highlands where you could see 3 to 6 inches, locally up to 8 inches over the 2 days. And again, much lighter amounts once you get further west. And again, the major impact is probably going to be over the weekend. The pattern looks like it could get into an atmospheric river with the potential for very heavy mountain snow. Again, very late Friday through next Saturday is the main day we're going to be looking at. So that will conclude the briefing for today. If you have any questions, call the number listed here 24 hours a day or visit our website. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day.